Start expanding. Stop trading time for money. Start adding value to everything that you do. Yo, Grind Gang, what it do? It's your boy, Roll 100. I'm back with another video. Hey, today we gonna talk about something just a little different because I got a couple of questions for y'all, and I'm hoping that we can all come together and figure out what's going on here. I'd like to know a little bit about each of the Grind Gang's business strategy. What are your plans? What are your goals? And what are your aspirations for the year 2019? Or if you're not like, cliche type with the new year type of thing, how about what are your goals, your short-term or your long-term goals as far as creating and building upon your own business? This I would like to hear. So check this out. It's just a few things I want to share with you from things that I do that helps me. So a lot of times when I try to come up with an idea or a new idea, something fresh, for a new topic, new trending topic, or a new business, something that's gonna give me some money, I like to sit down and just jot down ideas just right off the dome, just whatever comes to mind. I just, just let it come to me and just write it all down on paper. So after I wrote all of my ideas down on paper, I put that paper to the side, fold it up, tuck it to the side, and then I continue on with my week. After a day or two, I come back and I get that paper and I unfold it and I revisit those ideas. Most times I can cross off 75% of what's on the paper based on I'm not actually thinking that day what I was the day that I wrote it down, which means it probably was not relevant. It was just something that was probably temporary, something for that day. But the ideas that stand, I keep those in mind and I go into those ideas. Basically, what I'm saying is don't just do stuff. Create a process, create an idea, create things from the way you do things. This is just the way I do it. I start off with an idea and then I go crazy. Everybody that know me know I go crazy with my ideas. I start off thinking of something small and then next thing you know it's huge. Okay? And that's how I want you to think. If you with the Grind Gang, you need to think big. Don't think about the little money that people are deciding to pay us for the jobs for the time that we spend it. Start expanding. Stop trading time for money. Start adding value to everything that you do so you can see the money come back a lot quicker. So hey, check this out. The spreadsheet that I created, it's an Excel spreadsheet. If y'all want, I'll put it in the link in the description and you can download the spreadsheet for yourself and use it. You can use it to schedule your hours. You can use it to put how much you make, and you'll find out it makes things a lot easier. It makes things more clearer. You probably won't miss shifts. You probably see your money a lot better, and you can put your paydays on there. You can do all of that. So I'm going to put it in the description for free. I worked on this spreadsheet hard, I had people help me to put it together, man. Real talk, it was tough, so I'm giving it to y'all for free, so I hope the Grind Gang gonna take advantage of this. Go in the description, download the spreadsheet. It's an Excel spreadsheet. I'm gonna put it up there just for y'all. You can download the joint and you can put in your own information and you welcome. You feel me? You already know. I do it so you don't have to. It's your boy, Roll 100. And remember, when you roll, make sure it's 100. Peace.
Nothing about this heat. Ain't nothing but money around there.